Good morning, friends. Today is April 14th, 2021. At the top of your paper, please write the date and number corner. Press pause if you need more time. Next to number 1, we are working on our calendar. So you're going to draw the shape that you see and the line of symmetry that you can see on the shape. Alrighty, friends, so here is our calendar piece. Again, it is April 14th, so I turned over that card. Please draw this shape and draw the lines of symmetry that you see. Press pause if you need more time for number 1. Alrighty, friends, we are moving on to number 2. So when I look at number 2, we are going to write 10 addition equations that equal 14 and 10 subtraction equations that equal 14. So again, 10 addition equations that equal 14 and 10 subtraction equations that equal 14. If you need more time for number 2, please press pause. All right, friends, we are moving on to number 3. We have now been in school for 124 days. You are going to write an addition equation that equals 124, a subtraction equation that equals 124, coins that have a value of $1.24, and your 100 block, 10 blocks, and 1 block. So again, we're representing the number 124 for number 3. We're representing the number 124 with an addition equation that equals 124, a subtraction equation that equals 124, coins that have a value of $1.24, and your 100 block, 10 blocks, and 1 block. Press pause if you need more time for number 3. Alrighty, we are on number 4. Number 4 says write 3 equations that are greater than 7. So again, you're going to use this format, write an equation, the greater sign, and 7. So write 3 equations that are greater than 7. Press pause if you need more time for number 4. All right, and number 5 says put these numbers in order from least to greatest. 13, 31, 11, 51, and 15. Again, put these numbers in order from least to greatest. 13, 31, 11, 51, and 15. All right, friends, have a wonderful day.